budget of 2000 rupees. So it was basically budget shopping, and Sanya as always overspent.
I didn't.
Yes, and we ended up spending 2250 rupees. So that was the total amount which we spent, and without further delay, let's see what all we got.
Let's start with you.
Yeah, so this is the first dress which I got. So it's basically like this. It's a maxi dress, and the print is really cute. It's watermelons and pineapples. I got this dress for 350 rupees, and it's got this V-neck. If you can see, I need to wear a tube under it, and it's by some brand called Privacy Please. I don't know what it is, but it's a very pretty dress. And what all you got?
Okay. So next up is me, and I would like to show you these really cute panda pajamas. And so this is like really perfect for me right now because this has like a mama panda and a baby panda, like just relating to my present situation. So look at this print, it's so cute. And I got these just for like 200 rupees. They have an elastic so it can fit any size, and these are cute. I would like to show you. It's a t-shirt that I want to pair with the pajamas, and this one again has a little baby bunny. I think it's a bunny. Yeah. You can see the print. So this is from Disney, and this costed me just 150 bucks.
It's a full-length tube dress, and it can be paired up with anything. Like you can wear a shrug over it, or you can wear a nice neck piece over it. And I got this dress for 150 rupees. It's quite cool for 150 rupees, and it's quite formal. So if you add a nice jacket to it, or like probably some good neck piece to it, you can wear it very formally, and good heels with it. So yeah, this is the second dress I got. Elastic on top, and I got this for like 200 rupees, and it looks really cool with like ripped denims, and yeah, the fabric is really good, like, so it's very soft, and the color doesn't come off. I've already washed it once, so it's very good quality, and for 200 rupees it's amazing.
So with this, what happened was like it was in the starting of our shopping, and we tried to bargain a little, but the person was not willing to come down at all. And then we realized
it. Yeah, I really liked it, so we bought it.
And later we realized it was at a lot of other shops, available at a lot of other shops as well.
For 150 rupees, so you can manage to like bargain. So please go ahead and buy it at a cheaper price.
Shrug. This is just a basic long shrug, and it's kind of whitish grey in color, so very apt for summer, very light fabric, and it has these cute gold foil printed hearts, and I love hearts. Anything to do with hearts, I will buy it. I got this for about 200 rupees.
Yeah, and I also got the same.
So we both bought shrugs.
Yeah, and mine is like stripes, but it's the same style. There were a lot of prints and colors available in it, but mine is basic blue and white stripe because I am a basics person. I love like basic prints and basic colors. So this is mine, and this is ours. This is one item we both of us picked up the same thing in different prints.
was created by shoppers like us. We managed to find these accessory sellers like on the street that were just roaming with holding a big stand and with lots of a zillion accessories on them. So we chose two of these.
Yeah.
And this is one.
And
This is one.
this is the other one.
I really like this one because I think this can be worn with Indian clothes and it can be worn with casuals. It can be worn anywhere.
Yeah, it can be accessorized in a lot of ways. Yeah, but this is like something which you would probably wear with a western dress and like a night. I think it goes with everything, casual and formal both. These are the two pieces which we bought.
And both of them really elevate plain garments. Like if you're wearing something plain, this can totally change the look.
So coming to the last and final item which I bought is this t-shirt, and apparently this t-shirt is from Vero Moda, which I'm sure it's not, but it's a very nice floral print and very perfect for summers. Very like it's summery, but it's also bright at the same time. So it's white and red and beautiful flowers on the top. So this is how it looks. And this I got for another, how much did I get it for? I think I got it for 200 rupees. So the prices of everything will be mentioned in the description box and the shop numbers as well, so you can go have a look at there.
So now let's come to my last item. And this is my favorite amongst the entire haul.
Yeah, this is my favorite too.
So this is basically a jacket. Yep, right here. Oops.
Okay.
So it's this jacket. It's like really shiny, full of sequins work. And it looks very elegant. It looks
Yeah,
very
nobody
nice
can
to
make
wear.
out it's from Saroo. So that's it guys, I think we managed to do a pretty good job. We bought 5 items each and we spent about 2200 rupees on the whole thing, and that's pretty good. So it's quite a good option for a budget buy, and I'm sure obviously you get a lot of things in the mall and everything which are quite expensive. So once in a while it's okay to like probably go around shop at these places if you manage to get some good
Yeah.
things.
We might go again actually.
Yeah,
for
even
summer shopping.
I think so. I would like to go there again. This is my second time there. The first time I went, I had a very bad experience. So this time I went with like a experienced person.
I am a Niftian, so all Nif people go there very often.
Yeah, so for this time I had a fun time and I managed to get pretty much something I liked. So,
Not really bargainers, but we are working on that.
yeah, we don't bargain, but yeah.
So if you like this haul and you would like us to do any more hauls from any kind of stores or any budget shopping, we would be happy to do it.
Yeah, and if you want more budget options for anything like any makeup options, or like if you want like to do something more on a budget, we would really want to do so for you guys.
So if you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up
And
and
subscribe.
subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.